Hello there, what is going on? My name is Kim, and I'm the developer advocate for the Flow blockchain. I'm here to catch you up with our weekly TLDR updates for the Flow ecosystem, just in case you missed them. Let's dive in. First up, learning blockchain development on Flow just got easier with Crypto Dappy, a personal project by our technical content manager, Ben Ebner. If you're looking for a fun way to build a functional dApp on Flow, regardless of your experience, this is the place to be. Crypto Dappy is an open source project for the community, and we are actively looking for folks that want to get involved. Check out the GitHub for ways to contribute. Next, Epix Industries launched their first of many platforms on Flow, with Enemy Metal's Foundation NFT sale this week. This is the first phase of their development plan with crafting and arcade games, and more to come in the future. Blockparty is now one of the latest platforms to launch on Flow. We'll have their first NFT drop next week on August 13th, featuring the art of contemporary artist Super Buddha. His work is focused around retro gaming. That is super dope. Be sure to check that out. So, we announced Flow's first stablecoin, FUSD, was available back in June. But now, we're excited to officially share that MoonPay is integrating with Flow to enable fiat to crypto on-ramps to over 150 countries, including the United States. FUSD is now available on MoonPay. They are a financial technology company that builds easy on- and offboarding options, reducing the friction of converting between fiat and cryptocurrencies. If you haven't already, sign up for the Flow newsletter. We send out a newsletter every other week that features the latest news around the Flow ecosystem. Keep up with the latest platform launches, NFT drops, and headlines that matter to Flow. As a friendly reminder, the Mainnet Spork is scheduled for August 18th, and for the testnet Spork, that will be for August 11th. And that's all for this week, folks. If you want to read more about the updates I just mentioned, I've left the links down below. My name is Kim, and I will see you next week for next week's update. Bye!